Rebecca Maloof here from Prime Beauty, and I'm here with our model Shelby. We're going to show you the secret of getting that youthful lift and that beautiful glow. So I've got here one of the secrets, which is our Tan and Sculpt bronzer. What's special about this bronzer is it's more brown. We don't have a hint of red or orange in this bronzer. So we're not getting the terracotta bronze. We're just using it to make our cheeks lifted and pop. I've got a fan brush here, and the fan brush is phenomenal for getting right under the cheekbones. And if yours don't naturally pop as much as Shelby's do, they're gonna pop after this. And it's one fluid motion using the fan brush. I'm also going to bring this right up along Shelby's temples. We call that referencing, so you don't have the color all in one area of your face. For the referencing, I like it along the nose. I think it looks cute. Now, I have seen makeup artists apply bronzer under the jawline, but one of the reasons we're doing this is to create a lift. And some of us don't have a very strong jawline. By using the bronzer underneath, it really accentuates it. Makes it look kind of muddy. Our next special product is called Afterglow. It's got a little peach, a little gold, a little of everything good. We're switching textures here too. Because our bronzer was matte, Afterglow has a glow to it. Just gonna use my fingers and apply this directly along Shelby's cheekbones. So now we're introducing glow. I am going little by little because we want glow, not necessarily laughing blush. All right, so we've got that lift, we've got that natural blush. It's really easy and everything looks beautiful. Best of all, it's gonna stay all day.